was awesome actually. We really enjoyed it.
Look at everybody. It shows that life is coming to Abuja.
Like me, I'm here to act because I know I have the talent of acting.
Because this is what I've been desiring all my life.